and have a super journey ahead. Thank you. Magandang gabi at maligayang pagdating sa AirAsia. Ito po ang AirAsia Flight Z2608 patungong Maynila. Ang flight na ito ay pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Carlo Flores sa tulong ni Unang Opisyal Romen Agdes. At ako po si Riz ng inyong senior cabin crew kasama sina Lester, Yani at Clyde. Tayo po ay lilipad ng isang oras. Pinakikiusapan ng lahat ng panauhin na ituwid ang mga sandalan, tiklopin ang mga mesa, buksan ang tapping ng mga bintana at ikabit ang seatbelt. Sa mga oras na ito, mangyari po lamang na ilagay ang lahat ng electronic devices sa flight mode. Para sa kalaman ng lahat, ang paninigarilyo kabilang ang paggamit ng e-cigarettes sa flight ng AirAsia ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Dahil sa inyong suporta, nananatili pa rin kaming Rhodes Best Locos Airline sa loob ng 13 taon. Sit back, relax, and have a super journey ahead. Maraming salamat po. Dear guests, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. As your safety is our concern, and the safety features may differ from other aircraft, we ask your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, flip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tab to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you're at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on upon contact with water and here's a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of this safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. Should you need a rest, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Tampering the smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention. This is an important announcement. In case of loss of cabin pressure, you must remove your face mask before using the cabin oxygen mask. Para sa inyong kaalaman, sakali mawalan ng cabin pressure, tanggalin muna ang inyong face mask bago isuot ang cabin oxygen mask. Maraming salamat po.